Have you ever dreamed of a life where your income isn't tied to the hours you work? Imagine the freedom of making money while you're sleeping, on vacation, or spending time on your passions. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, and see your bank balance has grown overnight without you having to actively do a single thing. It's a powerful feeling. This isn't just a fantasy. It's a very real possibility. This financial freedom is achievable through the power of what we call passive income. In this video, I'll show you 100 actionable ways to build it. Are you ready to change your financial future? Then let's start this exciting journey together. Passive income means you put in time, money, or knowledge once, and in return, you get money coming in again and again. It's about building an asset that generates revenue for you with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike a regular 9-to-5 job, you don't have to actively work every day to earn money. Your income is no longer directly tied to the hours you put in, a powerful shift away from traditional work. But it's not a get-rich-quick trick. At first, you have to put in a significant amount of time and/or money. Building a reliable income stream requires patience and a considerable upfront investment. But if you do it right, passive income can give you financial freedom. This means having more control over your time and the ability to live life on your own terms. And here they are. 100 real passive income sources. Let's get started. First income source. Buying dividend stocks. Regularly receive profits from publicly traded companies. A classic way to earn from corporate profits. Second income source. ETFs with profit distribution. Invest in a wide range and receive income regularly, spreading your investment for safer returns. Third income source. REITs, real estate investment trusts, receive rental income without owning property, letting you invest in real estate without being a landlord. Fourth income source, P2, P-lending, lend money to people and earn interest, acting as the bank for individuals. Fifth income source, corporate bonds, earn interest by investing in company debt, a more stable investment than stocks. Sixth income source, crypto staking, passive income by holding your coins by helping to secure the network. Seventh income source, crowd investing. Invest in startups or real estate projects and get a share of their success. Eighth income source, robo-advisors. Automatic investing through digital wealth managers, letting algorithms manage your money. Ninth income source, selling stock options. Earn premiums by writing options, a strategy for experienced investors. 10th income source, fund participation. Be part of professional investments and fund strategies, leveraging the expertise of market professionals. 11th income source. Sell ebooks. Write them once, sell them many times. Your words become a lasting asset. 12th income source. Offer online courses. Monetize your knowledge, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, turning your expertise into a digital product. 13th income source. Sell PDFs and templates. Create digital checklists, calendars, or business plans. Simple digital files can be big sellers. 14th income source. Sell Notion templates. Create templates for productivity or planning for the booming productivity market. 15th income source. PowerPoint or Canva templates. Design once, sell 1,000 times, helping others create stunning presentations. 16th income source. Sell audio files and music, sound effects, background music, or jingles. Your sounds can be licensed globally. 17th income source. Fonts and typography. Create and license your own typeface. Your unique style can be licensed. 18th income source. Sell stock photos. Offer images on platforms like Pexels or Adobe Stock. Your camera can become an income source. 19th income source. Sell mock-ups and graphics. Photoshop or Figma files for download, helping designers visualize their work. 20th income source. Create and sell digital stickers and emojis for WhatsApp, Telegram, or Notes. Small fun creations for digital communication. 21st income source. Affiliate marketing through blogs. Earn commissions with product recommendations on websites, turning your readers' trust into income. 22nd income source. Amazon affiliate program. Earn money with every purchase through your referral link, leveraging the world's largest online store. 23rd income source. Operate niche websites, monetize visitors through search engines and ads, becoming an authority in a small topic. 24th income source. YouTube with timeless videos. Once created, They generate constant advertising revenue by creating content that stays relevant for years. 25th income source. Pinterest affiliate pins. Earn money through redirects to affiliate products, a visual way to drive affiliate sales. 26th income source. Monetize a themed Instagram page. Use reach to sell advertising or products. 27th income source. TikTok with automated channels. Upload videos that continuously generate reach. 28th income source. Monetize Facebook pages with ads. Use large pages as a traffic source. 29th income source. Email newsletters with sponsors. Advertising revenue through segmented email lists. 30th income source. Create your own information portal. Guide pages with Google AdSense and affiliate programs. 31st income source. Automate dropshipping, sell without inventory, customers buy directly from the supplier. 32nd income source. Print on demand products. Print t-shirts, mugs or posters on demand. 33rd income source. Etsy shop with digital products. Once created, it sells infinitely. 34th income source. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Sell ebooks or journals on Amazon. 35th income source. Publish courses on Udemy, steady income from course sales. 36th income source. Create an app, for example, no code. Monetization through in-app purchases or advertising. 37th income source. Sell digital tools or widgets. Automations for websites and businesses. 38th income source. SaaS model, software as a service. Monthly payments for your tool or system. 39th income source. Patreon memberships. Followers pay monthly for your content. 40th income source. Online forums with advertising revenue. Generate traffic and monetize with banner ads. 41st income source. Publish books, self-publishing. Once written, they sell continuously. 42nd income source. Sell audiobooks on Audible. Passive income through audiobook platforms. 43rd income source. Subscription boxes. Monthly income from recurring packages. 44th income source. Sell licenses for product ideas. Once developed, they are used for many years. 45th income source. Install vending machines, for example, for snacks. Choose the location, fill it up, and earn. 46th income source. Operate a laundromat, automated. Machines wash, you earn. 47th income source. Self-service car wash. Vehicle washing 24 hours a day. 48th income source. Rent tools or machinery. Once bought, they are rented many times. 49th income source. Rent storage units or garages. Spaces offer passive income. 50th income source. Rent advertising space, for example, on your house. Banners or LED advertising on your property. 51st income source. Bicycle or scooter rental, automated. Booked via app, you earn. 52nd income source. Operate an ATM. Charge fees on each withdrawal. 53rd income source. Install a hygiene product vending machine in public restrooms or bars. 54th income source. Rent properties, long-term, monthly, stable and predictable income. 55th income source. Vacation rental on Airbnb, short-term rental with high margins. 56th income source. Rent tiny houses, live stylishly, rent profitably. 57th income source. Offer tree houses or glamping tents. Extraordinary sleeping equals premium prices. 58th income source. Rent a warehouse or barn for events, vehicles or logistics. 59th income source. Rent parking spaces, for example, for RVs. Highly sought after, especially in the countryside. 60th income source. Allow advertising on your car. Use your vehicle as a rolling advertising surface. 61st income source. Music licensing, stock music. Sell music tracks on platforms like Audio Jungle. 62nd income source. License photographs. Getty, Shutterstock. Earn every time your image is used. 63rd income source. Sell voice recordings as voiceovers. Once recorded, used many times. 64th income source. Sound effects for games or YouTube. Sell SFX for creators and game developers. 65th income source. Distribute white label products. Sell existing products under your own brand. 66th income source. Trade or rent domain names. Buy low, sell high, or rent. 67th income source. Create NFTs with utility NFTs. Digital assets with real added value. 68th income source. Operate automated YouTube shorts. Cool clips that generate views and advertising revenue. 69th income source. Sell animated explainer videos. Companies pay for easy-to-understand animations. 70th income source. Sell stock video clips. Envato pixels, drone shots, nature, cities, and much more. 71st income source, design fonts, icons, and UI kits, popular with web designers and app developers. 72nd income source, sell web design templates. Once created, they sell 1,000 times. 73rd income source, plugins or add-ons for tools, develop extensions for popular platforms. 74th income source, digital trading cards or game items, in-game sales with real demand. 75th income source, translate books into other languages or commission translation. More markets mean more sales. 76th income source, offer voice cloning with AI. Your voice is automatically licensed. 77th income source, sell AI-generated art, designs via DALL-E, Midjourney, and similar. 78th income source, email autoresponders with digital products. Once set up, customers automatically receive content. 79th income source, sell video courses as a package, added value through bundle offers. 80th income source, create and sell AI bots, bots for websites, customer service, or educational purposes. 81st income source, automate online coaching, group programs, and timeless courses for passive income. 82nd income source, rent virtual assistants. Your team of virtual assistants performs tasks for others. You earn from it. 83rd income source, license photo albums, high-quality photo albums for publishers or companies. 84th income source, sell social media accounts, build, monetize, and sell. 85th income source, create meme pages with advertising, funny pages with lots of traffic and advertising revenue. 86th income source, sell newsletter spaces, advertising in popular newsletters. 87th income source, sell SEO services by subscription, monthly income for recurring services. 88th income source, create digital annual calendars, popular for businesses and private clients. 89th income source, rent parking spaces, acquired cheaply, rented profitably. 90th income source, create online magazines, earn money with subscriptions and advertising revenue. 91st income source, sell online tickets for events, automated sales with affiliate programs. 92nd income source, develop browser extensions, monetization through premium features. 93rd income source, automated webinar series. The recording works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and generates leads and income. 94th income source, sell premium newsletter subscriptions, exclusive content for paying readers. 95th income source, create licensed software. Once developed, multiple users pay license fees. 96th income source, develop mobile games, revenue from in-app purchases and advertising. 97th income source, sell online games or mods, players pay for expansions or mods. 98th income source, sell digital posters and artwork, design once, sell many times. 99th income source, dropshipping through social media stores, sell through Instagram or Facebook with automation. 100th income source, automated accounting or tax software, offer software with monthly fees. And there you have it. Done! We've journeyed together through a landscape of incredible opportunities, exploring the diverse and powerful ways you can begin to generate passive income. From the digital realms of affiliate marketing and online courses to the tangible assets of real estate and dividend stocks, the paths are numerous and varied. As you can see, there are tons of ways to make passive income, and the sheer volume of options might even feel a little overwhelming right now. That's perfectly normal. Take a deep breath. The goal wasn't to pressure you into doing everything at once, but to open your eyes to the world of what's possible. It was about planting a seed of an idea. The idea that your financial future doesn't have to be solely dependent on trading your time for money. You now possess the map. You have been given the tools and the knowledge to start building a different kind of life. One where your money begins to work for you, instead of you constantly working for it. The question is no longer how, but where do I begin? This is where the real work and the real excitement starts. It's time to choose your own adventure. Pick your favorites. Which of these ideas sparked a genuine interest? Which one made you lean in a little closer, your mind racing with possibilities? Don't just think about the potential financial return. Consider what aligns with your passions, your skills, and your current lifestyle. If you're a creative person, maybe starting a YouTube channel or selling digital art is your calling. If you're analytical and enjoy research, perhaps dividend investing or peer-to-peer lending is the right fit. The best passive income stream is the one you'll actually stick with, the one that you'll enjoy building and nurturing. So silence the noise of all the other options for a moment. Trust your intuition. Select just one. That's the secret. Start with one income stream. Don't fall into the trap of analysis paralysis, trying to build 5 different engines at once. You'll stretch yourself too thin and likely won't make significant progress on any of them. Your focus is your most valuable asset at this stage. By choosing one path and dedicating your energy to it, you create momentum. You give yourself the space to learn, to make mistakes, and to achieve those crucial early wins that will fuel your motivation for the long haul. Once you've chosen your starting point, the next step is the most critical of all. You must invest in yourself. In your time, in your ideas, in your future. This is a profound shift in mindset. Understand that building passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a commitment to personal growth and long-term wealth creation. Investing in your time means consciously carving out hours from your week to dedicate to this new venture. It might mean waking up an hour earlier or sacrificing some Netflix time in the evening. It's about treating this project with the seriousness it deserves, as if you were your own most important client. Investing in your ideas means giving them the respect and resources they need to flourish. It means believing in your unique perspective and having the courage to put it out into the world. It might involve a small financial investment for a website domain, a piece of software, or an online course that accelerates your learning. See these not as expenses, but as investments in the foundation of your future wealth. And most importantly, investing in your future means playing the long game. It means understanding that the efforts you make today, the late nights, the learning curves, the small, consistent actions, are the building blocks of the freedom you desire tomorrow. You are the architect of your own financial destiny, and every hour of learning, every dollar reinvested, is another brick laid in the foundation of a secure and prosperous future. There will be challenges. There will be moments of doubt. There will be times when you check your progress and see little to no return for your effort. This is the point where most people give up. But you will be different because you understand that this is part of the process. Passive income is rarely passive at the beginning. It requires upfront work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in the process. Be patient with yourself and with your results. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Your first website visitor, your first affiliate click, your first dollar earned. These are the markers of progress. They are proof that the system is working. Remember that you are building an asset, and like any valuable asset, it takes time to construct and mature. Every article you write, every video you upload, every dollar you invest is a seed you plant. For a while, it may seem like nothing is happening beneath the surface. But with consistent watering, with consistent effort and patience, those seeds will sprout. They will grow into a system that functions and generates value even when you're not actively tending to it. And very soon, sooner than you might think if you remain consistent, you'll experience that magical moment. You'll wake up one morning, check your phone, and see that you have made money. You'll be making money while you sleep. This is the turning point. It's the moment you truly grasp the power of what you've built. It's not just about the money itself. It's about what it represents. Freedom. The freedom to choose how you spend your days. The freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about a paycheck. The freedom to spend more time with the people you love, creating memories that last a lifetime. It's the quiet confidence of knowing you have a safety net, a system that supports you and your dreams. This is the future you are investing in. This is the reward for your focus, your patience, and your belief in yourself. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You have the map, you have the destination in sight, and you have chosen your path. All that's left is to take that first step. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when the time is right. The time is now. Your future self is waiting. Start today.